Hello, welcome back to another video. This is a bath bomb kit by Crafty things. Got this from B&M when my partner got it me, so just wanted to show you how you'd use it, and that it's pretty good really. So that's the instruction book you get. It tells you everything what to do, pretty self-explanatory. And that's a bag of bicarbonate of soda, a bag of citric acid, a bag of corn flour, the round mould and vanilla fragrance. It's enough to make 5 bath bombs, this is. I just put them in cups there so it'll be easy for scoop out. So I'll start off with a set of scales and put a plastic cup on and reset the scales to 0. First of all, I'm adding 5 grams of corn flour, then 10 grams of citric acid, then 25 grams of bicarbonate of soda powder. What I do then, give them a good mix. And it says slowly add 3 millilitres of water, approximately half a teaspoon. Just mix that steadily. Then slowly add 8 drops of vanilla fragrance. And stir that gently. So once you've done that now, pour it into the moulds. I just tapped it down, not too tight, just pat it down until it's pretty compact really, but not really dead tight. You won't get half in each mould. Sort of patted it down and just so it's overflowing a little bit. So not too compact. Bit same on the other side. Once you're happy, then bring the 2 moulds together. Pretty quick you need to do this. Then you hold that firmly for 10 seconds. Then you allow the mould to set for 5 minutes. Then you remove the top part of the mould and leave that for 10 minutes. And that's it, that's done there. And what I'm doing, I just put the lid on each side, just make sure each side's separated. You know, once I know it's all together, then I can remove it then from the mould completely. And that's it, that's pretty much done really. In probably 15-20 minutes you've got one. Just going to show you now in the sink. That's it, I'm just dropping it in the sink now. And that's it, pretty good really, smells absolutely lovely as well. Pretty good little project really. I think there's only about £4.99 I think it was. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Any questions, please leave the comments below. Leave us a like if you like it, and please subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.